Okay, we're here at the Gemini CLI. Let's paste the prompt. Create a web app called My App that displays the following in the landing page. We just want to display welcome to my React TypeScript app built by Gemini CLI. And I've mentioned here some of the steps. And somehow I have to add where to get the steps that we defined. So I don't know. I thought so. It becomes just like a README just to give context. So let's see. Enter, and we are using Gemini 2.5. We're just using the Flash model. So now it tells you the step, the first execution or the first step, npm create byte latest. Okay, this is correct based on the documentation. Then it will go to the My App and install the dependencies. It's building the project, installing dependencies. Okay. Hopefully it will go to the next step and delete the CSS files and all that. Alright, so it's installing Tailwind CSS. Okay, correct. And then what's next? Right, so it's now editing the config.ts. So it's adding the Tailwind and the plugin included. Okay, correct. And now it removes the two CSS files. Okay, correct. And adds import in the index.css. And it updates the main page app.tsx to simple landing page. Okay, based on our instructions. And it wants to run the program. Okay, let it run. Let's see if it gets loaded. Oh, there you go. Welcome to my React TypeScript. Okay. And now let's verify. Right. Go to the src. We only have index.css, which is just the Tailwind. And we've seen the app is working with the landing page. Then we check the vit config. We've seen this. Looks good. All right. So now, instead of asking Gemini to do this again and again, we'll just ask Gemini to just create a script, like a Python script, to simplify these steps. Right? So create a Python script and that follows the steps in bootstrapping the React TypeScript Tailwind app. So let's see how it fares. So it's designing the Python script. It's now writing the code, which is called now bootstrap-react-ts-twind.py. Control S to show everything. So this becomes the script to run. Okay. And then okay, so let's test it with the app name. So now I'll go to the main folder. I have the bootstrap script. So let's say Python 3 bootstrap. I create a second app. So let's say my app 2. And it should create a my app 2. Install the project dependencies. Okay. And then installing Tailwind CSS. and then bootstrap. To run your app, go to my app 2. Let's see. And then npm run dev. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Oop! Right, it has to modify this. So that's the problem. Simple problem. I think this can be modified. We just go to the import is missing, or something like that. Yep, and yeah, it's using the index, and right, it should have a simple way, but this is okay. Okay, so in our previous step, we had a problem with the script because the final landing page was not updated, and it's still using the app.css, which we deleted. So I'll ask Gemini to update Bootstrap. In the final step, modify the source, modify the landing page in src/app.tsx to show a welcome message. So welcome to my React Typescript with Tailwind built by Gemini CLI. Right? Use the Tailwind CSS to design the landing page. Make the page pretty and colorful. Okay. So it will be updating the Python script so that when we build an app, the landing page is also working. So let's see. It should add the Tailwind CSS and remove the import of app.css, which we already deleted. So let's see the code. So it's modifying the app. Okay, and it's using this. Okay, let's see. So let's try again. This time we create a third app. So bootstrap, where am I? Oh, Python 3 bootstrap, and we call my app 3. Okay. So this is third try, and we'll see. Hopefully it gets it correct now. So we go to my app 3, and then npm run dev. So let's check. Okay, so now there's the message. Welcome to my Tailwind demonstration. Cool. Now it's really colorful now, and of course you can now change this in the Python script. All right.